Welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, in this video, I'm going to go through very basic of the C# programming using Visual Studio. Um, so if you are already familiar with the basic of the Visual Studio and C#, you can skip through this video, and in my channel later I'll go through a more advanced program using a Visual C#. For the very basic part, this video is only for the beginners who are not familiar with the C#, and this video is only to familiarize with how Visual Studio and Visual C# works. So if you haven't already downloaded the Visual Studio on your computer, you can download it from a Microsoft website. I have a latest version of the Visual Studio, that's 2019, I believe it is the latest one. So just click it and it opens pretty quick. And to create the new program, just click create new project and it will take you to this page. And here I'm going to use a .NET framework. If you have used it on the previous project, it will display here all the reset template you used. But if you haven't used any templates, you can just go to the search bar here and search for the program you want to use or the template you want to use. So console app.net framework, this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to click that one, click next, and then this is where you put your project name, which I'm going to call demo project, and this is the location where you want to save your program at. So I have a folder called fun project on my desktop, and this is where it's gonna be saved. You can put wherever you want to save the program. You can just copy the file path from the folder and paste it here and create the program. And this part of the coding is automatically done by the Visual C#. So for this program, I will not gonna use any of this. All I'm gonna use is using system. So using is a directive that tells the compiler where to look for the class that is used in the app. So, and the class keyword, class is a keyword. It introduced a class declaration and immediately followed by the class name. Every time you write the class name, all class names begin with the capital letter and capitalize the first letter of each word they include in the class name. Like if you want to name your class simple class name, sample class name, you got to write this way: capital letter S, AMPLE, capital letter C as class, capital letter N, AME. But I'm going to leave it as a program for now, so let's retype program. And we're gonna do a simple app that displays a line of text on your program. So to do that, we're gonna have to write our code on the static void main, that is the main program. So it is the main method, and this is where the app begin the execution of the program. So just to display the simple line on your program, all you got to do is use the command console dot write line, bracket, and let's say I wanna display the line that says welcome to C# programming. So and close the bracket. And if you just write this and run the program, it will not, your console window will not stay on. It will appear and disappears. So in order for this to stay, you got to write down another command, that is console dot readline bracket and close bracket. And when you write that command, the console window will stay and it will display the line on your program console. Welcome to C# programming. And if you wanna write the multiple lines, you can use same command. Just copy, paste, and change the content. There's other way to uh, display the multiple lines on your program, but since this is just the beginning of my tutorials, I'm just gonna use console.writeLine command, and later on my channel I'll explain the more way to different to display the multiple lines on your program. But for this now, this is